President's Secretariat farewell address to the nation by the President of India, Shri Nath Kovind, Delhi. Dear fellow citizens, Namaskar. 5 years ago, you had reposed immense trust in me and choose me as the President of India through your elected representatives. As I demit my office at the end of my term, I wish to share a few ideas with you all. Let me begin by expressing my deep gratitude to all fellow citizens and elected representatives. I have been inspired and energized by my interactions with citizens during my visits across the country. Farmers and workers from small villages, teachers shaping young minds, artists enriching our legacy, scholars investigating various facts of our country, business people creating wealth for the nation, doctors and nurses serving the people, scientists and engineers engaged in nation building, judges and advocates contributing to the justice delivery system of the country, civil servants who run the administration smoothly, our social workers actively connecting every social segment with development, preachers and masters of all sects who maintain the flow of spirituality in Indian society. You all have continuously helped me discharge my duties. In short, I received full cooperation, support, and blessings from all sections of society. I will especially cherish the occasions when I had an opportunity to meet our brave Jawans of the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and the police. Their patriotic zeal is as amazing as it is inspiring. During my visits abroad, whenever I spoke with members of the Indian diaspora, I found their love and concern for the homeland very touching. During investiture of civil awards, I had an opportunity to meet some of the most exceptional minds at work. With diligence and dedication, they are busy creating a better tomorrow for their fellow Indians. All these affirm the belief that the nation is after all composed of its citizens, and with each of you striving to make India better and better, the nation's great future is secure. These expressions experiences remind me of my childhood and how grand historical events shape our individual lives. When I was growing up in a small village, the nation had only recently achieved independence. There was a fresh wave of energy to rebuild the country. There were new dreams. I do had a dream that one day I would be able to participate in an meaningful way in this nation building exercise. A young boy living in a mud house could not have any idea about the highest constitutional office of the Republic, but it is the testament to the strength of India's democracy that it has created pathways to let each citizen take part in the shaping of our collective destiny. If that Ramnath Govind from village Parank is addressing you today, it is slowly thanks to the inherent power of our vibrant democratic institutions. Since I have mentioned my village, let me also add here that among the most memorable moments of my life has been visiting my home during my term and touching the feet of my teachers at seek their blessings. This year, the Prime Minister also honored my village Parank with his visit. This connection with our roots has been the essence of India. I would request the younger generation to continue this tradition of staying connected with their village or town, their schools and teachers, their citizens.